Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to upgrade the pip version. So once you install the Python latest version, that is Python 3.13, so the next task is to upgrade the pip. So in order to upgrade the pip in your Windows 11, so just go to the command prompt and you can see the Python version is this, that is 3.13. And if we check the version, that is pip hyphen hyphen version, so you can see the pip current version is 24.2. So in order to upgrade this, so this is generally an older version that is not suited for the Python 3.13. So in order to upgrade this, so just type this command onto your command prompt, that is first is Python hyphen m pip install hyphen hyphen upgrade, and you have to upgrade the pip. So this is a command to upgrade the pip version that is suitable for the Python 3.13. So let us run this program or the command prompt. So you can see it is downloading the latest version that is pip 24.3.1. So this is the latest version you can see over here, and you can see successfully installed the latest pip 24.31. So if we try to copy paste the version, that is pip hyphen hyphen version, so you can see this is the latest version that is suitable for the pip, that is Python 3.13. So that's all I had in this video. So this is how you try to upgrade the pip versions once you install the latest version of Python. So hope you like this video. So that's all I had in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.